looking at number 13. Number 13, we're given a triangle EFG. We're given that K is an incenter, and they want us to find X, the measure of KEG, EFG, FGE, KGJ. So the way we're going to look at this is we're just going to start filling out what we know about this information. So our goal right here seems to be angles. The one thing we do have to realize is that when we have an incenter, we have a total of 3 angle bisectors. So what that means is this angle will be equal to that angle, this angle would be equal to that angle, and finally this angle is equal to that angle. And that isn't the only information given. They do give us that this is 47 degrees. They give us that this is 7x minus 1, and then they do give us that this angle right here is 18x minus 23. And from there, let's see how many highlighters I have. I don't think I have enough for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do. So first, KEG. Let's just focus on what KEG is. So KEJ, I meant KEJ. So this angle would be KEJ. That's our first one. KEJ. Our next angle is EFJ, or EFG now. I'm just messing all up. EFJ. So it's E, F to J. That's our second angle. Our third angle, FGE, go start at F, F, G, and then E. And then lastly, they want us to find KGJ. And look at that. Look how colorful that looks already. The first thing right about now, I'm going to try to find X. X will be pretty self-explanatory once you see it. Angle bisector, equal those out. So we have 18x minus 23 equals 7x minus 1. From here, I want to combine coefficients. 18 smaller than 7, so I'm going to subtract 7x to both sides. So we get 11x minus 23 equals negative 1. From here, I'm going to add 23 to both sides. 23. 11x equals 22. Then from here, I'm going to divide both sides by 11. By 11, you get x equals 2. So first, x equals 2. Our first objective is to find what KEJ is. So all you have to do here is plug in the information. So the measure of KEJ, I'll even highlight it yellow because that's where our focus is equal to KEJ, 7x minus 1. Our x was 2, so now it's 7 times 2 minus 1. 14 minus 1 equals 13. So we get 13 degrees here. So the measure of that will be 13 degrees. If this is 13 degrees, that means this has to be 13 degrees. So right now we're given a total of, what is it? We're at 26 degrees right now in our triangle. We know for a fact we have 26 degrees because this will come back. So we have 26 degrees right now in our triangle. Next, they want us to find EFG. EFG. We know that's 47 degrees. Therefore, this has to be 47 degrees. So this will be 47 degrees. Ooh, I'd even highlight this one. So this other type of angle we have, EFG, is 47 plus 47. So this is the measure of E. Is equal to 26. Now we have the measure of angle F, which is equal to 47 plus 47, 94. Now we're focusing on this angle G right here. To find the measure of angle FGJ, we have to use the triangle sum theorem, which states 180 degrees is equal to all the angles we know. So the measure of FGJ is unknown, plus 94 plus 26. 94 plus 26 gives you 120. So 180 minus 120 equals the measure of FGJ. So 60 degrees is equal to the measure of FGJ. GJ, yeah. So what we have here is that this is 60 degrees, and half of 60 would have to be 30 degrees. Because if this whole thing's 60, this has to be 30, this has to be 30. Alright, and that's how you do number 13.